Back at home.
Yeah, there's a whole lot going on in the tropics. Luckily, no real concerns here at home in southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi. 5 areas to watch in the Atlantic basin. Of course, Hurricane Hilary out in the Pacific. First, it's that Gulf disturbance we've been talking about over the last few days. It has finally emerged into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, just an area of disturbed weather. Going into Tuesday, though, as it moves towards South Texas, it might be able to turn into a tropical depression. We will see. There is some dry air that it will be battling, but of course the Gulf is very warm. Now, further out in the Atlantic, there are 2 areas to watch. They have good development chances. They are very far away, and luckily, even if they do develop, models keep them out in the open ocean and pose no threat to any land areas. This is Tropical Depression 6. This is set to fizzle out early tomorrow morning out in the open ocean. But then there's this tropical wave that's moving through the Caribbean, giving some disturbed weather for the Lesser Antilles. This will curve off to the north in the coming days and then move into the Greater Antilles, increasing their rain chances early this week. So that will also head out into the open Atlantic Ocean by the middle and latter part of the new work week. Now transitioning over to the eastern Pacific, Hurricane Hilary has weakened down to a Cat 1, has wind speeds of 80 miles per hour. But look at all the moisture into the western half of the United States. Some serious bands of heavy rain moving into Southern California right now. Should weaken down to a tropical storm by the time it moves into Southern California later today. Today is their big impact day for some serious rain, some gusty winds, possibly flash flooding, and maybe even mudslides. But luckily, heading into tomorrow out west, conditions will be rapidly improving. So that is great news. But if you are catching the game out west, if you'll be watching, you'll notice it's going to be cloudy, rainy, windy. They got wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour possible out in Los Angeles. There's a tropical storm warning for Los Angeles County. Also a flood watch. Temperatures will be in the 70s out west. Out west as well, they could see up to maybe 6 to 10 inches of rain in a few spots, and that's certainly problematic in mountainous areas in addition to the winds in the mountainous areas. Also, you notice this large swath of showers, rainfall accumulation, I should say, rather, in the next couple of days in the Gulf of Mexico and South Texas. That's as a result of that Gulf disturbance we will be watching through early this week. So here's another look at it. It's going to keep on moving west through the central Gulf of Mexico. You notice there is some broad spin here on satellite. Yes, there are some showers and storms getting fired up, kind of noticing a little bit of a circulation there. We'll see how it transpires in the next couple days. Here's a look at it with your GFS precision cast. Keeps on moving west very quickly, and then by Tuesday moves into South Texas and northern Mexico. Maybe by that point, Tuesday could be a depression, but it should stay well to our south. Hopefully, we will get some passing showers from this tomorrow. As for today, lots of sunshine, some scattered clouds, a little breezy at times, maybe a spot shower or storm this afternoon. Not much rain for your Sunday, just really hot and humid. Tomorrow, that's when the disturbance passes by to our south. We'll have some more cloud cover around. It's also going to be a breezy day. Wind speeds can get up to 15 miles per hour at times. So occasionally breezy for the day tomorrow. Not a huge deal, kind of a nice breeze to help cool us down. And we'll get some passing showers and storms, hopefully throughout the course of the day, mostly south of I-10 though. Not a lot of rain for tomorrow, unfortunately. And then Tuesday will be on the drying trend. There might be some leftover showers early Tuesday morning. It's still also going to be a little breezy throughout the day Tuesday. But once Tuesday hits and then the rest of the work week comes, not much rain, but a lot of heat. So in summary, the Gulf disturbance tomorrow can bump up our rain chances a little bit. It's going to be breezy tomorrow and Tuesday, and there's also a small craft advisory until Monday night for our lakes and for the Gulf. Temperatures today are going to be getting right back into the upper 90s near the triple digits. It's going to be a scorching hot Sunday. Make sure you stay cool, stay hydrated. We have that heat advisory today. Feels like temperatures around 110 in a few spots this afternoon, anywhere from 108 to 112. And once we get through tomorrow's kind of relief with the clouds, maybe some passing showers, temperatures in the lower 90s, check out Tuesday and the rest of the week. Probably the hottest stretch of days we might see all summer long coming our way. Wednesday, Thursday, we might go above 100 degrees. Not much rain during that time frame as well. Heading into next weekend, still scorching hot. Rain chances do increase ever so slightly, but it's really the ongoing heat that's the big story here at home this week.